Oh hey, fam. This the status update. No fish yet, just skunk fish. But I moved. Look at the water, it's so chalky. I just seen so chalky in my life. But I'm gonna go in here so I catch trout or redfish or sheepshead. It's supposed to be biting. I'm around these boats. Says no fishing, but that means on the docks. I see a spot and cry. Just need the energy. What's new? Got some energy to sell me? It's not a fucking bag. It's not a bag. And it's not a liquid form. Like Red Bull or something like that. You can't do it, man. You can't do it. I gotta take my pills anyway. The story of the barge is I got kicked out, fucker. He came with it off camera and said, "Get out of here." What the horse shit is that? He said on camera I could fish 2 more hours before it was taking forever to move that barge out of there. Fucking fuckers. I'm not gonna be in the way of them putting up a fence in the ocean. Fuck, I ride right down the fucking beach. Fuckers. Well, it don't matter, man. You got a job to go to and sit with everybody else. If I can sit in there like, I don't know, like city workers. Not saying anything, just sitting there like city workers. I can't talk, but anyway, I got a good call from my friend Bruce. Bruce Salmente, they named her kid after me. It's pretty cool. Hey, hey, yeah, but I'm just sitting there looking. It's beautiful. The weather is perfect. The fishing is low tide and it's real dirty water. Everything's gonna be out offshore, and I don't have money to pay that. I'm trying to fish cheap or ship. I know of a dock where there's usually oil trout. I haven't got to go there yet. It's on the Ramsey side. I have to do here. The ferry. I'm by it, up close to it. But once they go over, I gotta come back. So it could be an ordeal. I don't know. I'm gonna try to fish on the island. There's usually a lot of fish here, but if I can get it to them, I don't know. But I love you. God bless. God bless. Be good. It's nice out.